Sometimes you laugh and sometimes you cry, but at least you know now, baby. What is up, YouTube? Let me crack this light a little bit. Hey, there we go. What is up, YouTube? We are back. I know it's been forever, but we are back, and I have some tips for you that will probably help you get your shit together and get very productive so that you're making the most out of your days. So today is gonna be a little different than some of the other things that we've done in the past. Today is going to be a how-to video, a how to start your day and get the billionaire mindset going and stay productive so that you can be on track to do everything that it is that you need and want to do. Everything. So what we're gonna do today is I'm going to tell you exactly how I get up, how it changed everything for me, how it's made me more productive, and yeah, so let's go. We're gonna start with getting out of the bed. And I know that this may sound ridiculous, and it's like, oh, it's a simple task getting out of the bed. But no, a lot of us, including me in my past, we get out of the bed and you lay there for a minute. Oh man, I don't feel like getting out of the bed. Just 5 more minutes, snooze, 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 snooze. Next thing you know, you fall asleep, you wake up, it's 10 o'clock. And we've all been there before, at least on a time or another. You know what I mean? Even if it's going to work and it's like, hey, 8:30, hey, I can squeeze in 5 more minutes and, still get up and get to work on time. Then you wake up, it's like, oh shit, I'm late, I'm rushing. All right, so what we don't want to do is that. You don't want to do that at all. So the first thing you want to do is get up out of the bed immediately. Immediately. Don't pass go, don't collect $200, go straight up. You roll up, you wake up, you hit that alarm, you turn it off, you get up out of the bed. So what I like to do is I like to put my phone across the room. It's like a new trick that I found that works for me. I like to put my phone across the room so that when the alarm is going off, I have to actually get up to turn it off or it'll just continue to go off. And that's gotten me up out of the bed. And it's worked wonders for me because typically what I used to do was snooze or mindlessly turn off the alarm without even hearing it. Like never once hearing it and then waking up like, how the fuck is it 10 o'clock and my alarm was set for 6? I've had that happen to me before. So with this, I haven't had that happen at all yet. I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now, and I can see the difference in like my productivity through the day and just the amount of things that I'm getting done every day, and it's great. So I'm hoping that this does the same thing for you. It's very, 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 very important. There's no phone. So what a lot of people like to do as well is get up, you're waking up, you're not even snoozing, but what you're doing is the first thing you're doing is you're checking your text messages. You're getting on Instagram or Twitter. You had somebody or Facebook and you had someone message you or mention you or, DM you, or your friends went out last night. You want to see what they were up to. You don't want to do any of those things. For the rest of these steps, your phone is non-existent except for one exception, and I will get to that exception. So the next thing that you want to do is after you get up is I need you to meditate for 5 minutes. During your meditation, it could be anything. You could be clearing your mind from anything that you have going on for the day. My personal favorite is affirmations. I like to tell myself things like, I'm in control of my day. I'm in control of my destiny. Everything that needs to be done will be done because I'm going to make sure that it gets done. I like to tell myself that opportunities come easy to me. They come easy to me and I can handle all of them and make the best out of all of the opportunities that are going to come my way. So just things like that, I like to tell myself in the morning to get my day started because big yourself up. You can do anything that you want to do. Anything you set out to do, you can do. The next thing that you want to do is 15 minutes of high intensity cardio. Now, everybody wants to get in shape, work out, And that's fine. Like, everyone doesn't have the time to, oh, I'm gonna go to the gym for an hour, or hell, even 30 minutes, because you gotta think, there's travel time to the gym, then you gotta work out for even if it's 30 minutes, and you may or may not have to come back home. A lot of gyms do have showers, but especially, first of all, COVID is here now. I haven't been to the gym since, and I don't want to go to the gym. I do know personally some people who, come in contact with COVID and had it from going to the gym. So I don't go to the gym personally right now. And this just gives you a fast at-home option that's obviously safer because you're at home. And it doesn't take as long. It's only 15 minutes. So everyone can spare 15 minutes out of the day, high intensity workout, get your heart rate going, and just make yourself feel good for the day. You know what I mean? So, just stay healthy, So it's 15 minutes of high intensity cardio. What I will do is I will post there's like a chart that's a really good 15-minute one, really get you going. Like, you're gonna be sore, don't get me wrong, especially if you haven't worked out in a while. So what I was doing when I started it, week one, I just do all the exercises one time. You're supposed to do all of them 3 times each. And you move through. What you can do is, you can move at your own pace, but what an option is, move up every week. So week 1, you do all the exercises once. Week 2, you do them twice. Then week 3, you do them the regular workout. And then from there, you can consistently, do it and get started. This is only one of the workouts. Obviously, there are plenty more workouts. So this is just one example. This is what I've been doing. The next thing that you want to do after you work out is you want to get some nutrition and some food in your body. Eat a healthy breakfast. So you need to re-energize your body and get right for the rest of the day, because if you don't properly energize yourself in the morning, you're going to find that you're going to crash very, very quickly. I've had this happen to me. Even when I first started doing this, it happened to me very often. I was like, hey, why am I getting to 3 o'clock and I'm dying? You know what I mean? So for breakfast, what I like to eat for breakfast is I like to get eggs, some oatmeal, and some fruits. I like to do this and it's a perfect balance. I've done a little bit of research. I'm not like a health guru, so if you want to go do your own research, that's totally fine. But that's what I like to eat for breakfast in the morning, and it's filling and it energizes me. So that's what I do. Like I said, obviously there are millions and millions of options, but you do want to put some food in your body, give your body some energy after you just worked out. And for the next step, what you want to do is, and please do not look at me crazy when I say this, take a cold shower. Now, I know that sounds crazy, and we're all used to, or maybe not everyone, but I know a lot of us are used to taking really hot showers. I was that guy. I would take my showers really hot. But what I found, and again, but I'm not like the real health guy, you know what I mean? I didn't do a bunch of research on this, but what I have found from personal experience is that the cold shower, especially after the workout, because your body may still be a little hot, is very, very refreshing. And for me, it wakes me up. I'm not saying it has to be ice cold, but I don't take hot showers anymore. It's in between lukewarm and like cold. Like when the water first starts to get like cold, go from like that cold to lukewarm change. You gotta find that sweet spot right there. And that's why I like taking my showers. I do think that I'm gonna work my way down where my showers are a little cooler than they are now. But that's the thing with all of this, is that you wanna just do it and work it and tweak it to what works best for you. That's what I've been doing the whole way through. I did find this like list on like, I think it was it Instagram? It might have been like an Instagram post or something. I just said, hey, let's try this. I've been lacking on my productivity sometimes. So I think that it may be best that I try something else, just to see what happens. And it's been great. So I can't complain. So remember when I said there was an exception for the day that where your phone, it may come into play? So what I like to do when I'm taking a shower, I like to play Frank Sinatra, My Way. And this has 2 purposes. So purpose number 1 is that, it just makes me feel good. I enjoy that song, and it, kind of like motivates me. Like, hey, at the end, when it's all said and done, I want to be able to say, hey, I did everything my way. You know what I mean? Like I set out I said what I was going to do, and I did it, and I accomplished those things, and I did all of those things my way. So it's very motivational for me, so I like to wake up to that song and listen to it when I take a shower. Second reason is time. Because we've all been in the shower, you start enjoying the shower, you know what I mean? And it's a good shower, it's relaxed, showers are relaxing. And you may end up in there for longer than you need to be in the shower. That song is about 5 minutes long, so it gets me in, I can clean my body, you know, and I can get out. And it's just about not wasting time and being efficient throughout your day. That's the whole point of this whole thing. And it gets you on the right track so you can be productive. So that's the exception for the phone. Okay, this may be your last step. It may not be your last step, but there's 2 left. But this one could very well be your last step. Actually, no, this is not your last step because half of this one, the next one may be optional, but the other half is not optional at all. With this step, you want to set 3 goals for the day. I don't care how big, how small they are. Set goals and be very specific in your goals. I don't care if you say, hey, only thing that I want to do today is go say hi to the neighbor today. If that's one of your goals for the day, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. If that's one of your goals for the day, make sure you get that done. Do you understand? Don't set goals like, oh, hey, I just want to, do a little bit of work on my brand today. Like, not those kinds of things. That's not what you want to do. You don't want to say, hey, I want to do a little bit of this, or I want to get some work done. No, you need to be very specific in your goals so that you know what you need to do for the day. It's very, very important that you do this. So you set 3 goals. And what I like to do is I have a whiteboard. I like to write down my goals for the day. That's what I like to do. And it's been working very well for me. It's very satisfying to see your goals being crossed out or erased. It's like, whew, one less thing that I have to do for the day. And I'll have done everything that I set out to do for the day. So it's very, very important. Be very specific in your goals and, set intention on exactly what you want to do and get it done. Okay, and the final step, this is where I said the first half is optional, the second half is not optional at all. The first half of this is to get coffee. A lot of people need the coffee to, get them jump started. I like the song. Like I said, the My Way song does it for me. Gets me hyped, gets me, I just ate, you know what I'm saying? And it wakes me up and it gets me pumped. It gets me motivated to go and do what I need to do. So if you need to drink a coffee, go ahead and do that. But if you don't, then you're on to the very last part of this video. And the very last part of this video is start hustling. So you just get on it and do everything that you set out to do. I don't care what it is. You just get it done. Like I said, it doesn't matter how big, how small your goals were for the day. You just start. Don't put it off and say, hey, I'm going to do it in 15 minutes. Not, I want to do it in an hour. I just kind of want to relax a little bit, get my day. No. Get started right now. And just watch. Just watch how much more productive and efficient your days become when you start doing this. If you follow all of these steps, you will see, in the comments below, after you guys start doing this, come back to this video and tell me how much it's helped you. And after you've done these things and you can see how it works for you, I want you to take this video and I want you to share it to all of your friends. I'm going to put up the charts and the graphs at the end of the video. So it's going to show you the high intensity workout video that I do. I mean, it's not a video, it's like a chart, just 15 minutes, really quick. So you don't have to take a bunch of time. Again, I would pace myself with all of these things and work them in, and you may have to tweak some things to work for you. And I'm also just going to put the flow chart of what exactly you're supposed to do. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Be productive. What are you waiting on? Do it. Do it now. Right now. Not later. Right now. See you.